Hello and welcome to CryptoWeeklies. In this video, we analyze Tron. None of the content is financial advice. The reason we are analyzing this today, crypto today, is looking at its performance heat map over the last 24 hours. Tron and ticker TRX is one of the two cryptos which are up over the last 24 hours. Over the last 7 days, again, most of the cryptos are trending down, but still, Tron has had a better performance than most of its peers, down by about only 1.75%. Over the last seven days, also in the top quartile, a negative 6%. Over the last 90 days, most of the cryptos are down, but still Tron is only down by about 19%, performing better than Bitcoin and ETH at this point. If you go and check the current price for Tron, and also check the current price of the ticker is at around 27 cents. Market cap at around 26 billion. By market cap, it's ranked number 8, so top within the top 10 cryptos by market cap. Most of the max supplies unlock more than 94-95% of total supply is unlocked right now. If we were to check on on our own website what could be the theoretical machine learning based price forecast, now that the price has gone through the bull market, bear market, overvaluation, undervaluation, so if we go and check the history of the price over the last 1 year or so, you can see it has largely been in an uptrend, with some negative bias coming since about August of 2025. Coming to back to the machine learning based priced analysis for Tron and its ticker TRX. This model says that if there is a non-euphoria bull run ceiling ahead of us in the late December, early January 2026, late December 2025, early January 2026, price could go from the current price to about roughly 40 cents. Whereas if there is some sort of a euphoria between now and, let's say, 1 month later, the euphoria case for Tron in middle of January 2026 is close to 65 to 67 cents. The trajectory for Tron since November 2022, from that 5 cents drop to now, has been largely a series of higher highs and higher lows. So that has bode well for Tron since the recovery from the last major bear market for crypto. Coming to the analysis for Tron in terms of the regression based valuation, how is Tron doing in terms of the regression based polynomial regression based fair value estimation. This model, again, available, all of these models available on cryptoweeklies.com, link on the bottom of your screen. They are all available for free. So this is the polynomial regression based fair line, the fair value line in pink color, which says if the uptrend were to continue, the price could go to its fair value at around 42 cents in a positive direction. If we were to look for any undervaluation zone, the green line over here, which has been an area of support at around 26 cents, if that gets breached to the downside, then the price action could be in a panic. If there is a bear market in early half of 2026, then the support is all the way at around 16 cents. That's the 2 standard deviation residual, the dark green line. The opposite of the light green line is this yellow line, and together between the yellow and the green line, the price action is stays about 1 standard deviation or 68% of the time within these bounds. So if the price were to touch this green line over here and then come back to the yellow line before calling it all for this bull run, then the ceiling is at around 66 to 69 cents. So that's the confluence between the price action analysis using regression and using machine learning based models. The time weighted average price model for Tron says that the current price is significantly higher than the time weighted average price. In the bear market, whenever the colors are in the cooler shades of blue or again deep blue, that's when price has been in an accumulation territory. The time weighted average price for Tron is roughly 9 cents. So this blue line could be a great guide in mid to late 2026 if the prices were to come crashing down. Accumulating below the time weighted average price in the bear market has worked out historically speaking for Tron. If we were to look at the regression model that we saw in terms of a daily DCA, right now the regression based risk has gone down quite a bit. It's in the zero point 0.1 to zero point 0.2 risk band, which is again the second best time to DCA Tron as of today. Um, the guidance using this regression based outlook to look for any major peaks is all the way at around 91 cents. But again, for this bull run, again Tron did achieve uh, a rally to the 2 standard deviation overvaluation in December 2024 itself. So again, that major euphoria could be behind us, as the data would suggest. But if, let's say, there is one more rally to 0.2 to 0.3 risk, price of Tron could be somewhere between the current price and 50 cents level, so about a 2x of the current price. With that, again, if you were to look out for the 20-week simple moving average price based risk estimation, right now the price is below the 20-week simple moving average price. The risk with for this model has gone down quite a bit, but again, this is one of the three major models that we have on the channel to estimate what is the potential risk reward. Two of the three models says the risk has gone, that is the SMA model and the time SMA model and the regression model say that the risk is below 0.2, but the time weighted average price model kind of disagrees. So that's where the estimated bull run target comes into the picture to identify what is the overall risk for accumulation is at around 0.4. That's because the time weighted average price risk is elevated at this point, although the SMA risk and the regression risk is fairly low. If we are to estimate a conservative peak estimate for Tron before the conclusion of this bull run, the first major level is at around 40 cents, second at around 57 cents, and the stretch goal is at around 67 cents. With that, I would like to conclude. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you did, please give a like and subscribe, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.